is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
All right, y'all, we're going. This is going to Southwest Louisiana area. Found some cow print, some red. Let's see what we can make. All right, so we're gonna start out with about a 12-inch tail. Give it a little pinch. Give it a good twist. All right, we're gonna give this about a 6.5 to 7-inch loop. All right. Trim this edge over here. We're gonna measure out about our 8-inch mark, give it a good twist. Our loop's just gonna be a little bit smaller. All right, we're gonna put that pop of red in here. Slide it out. Give it a nice little twist. So see how the different color whites? All right. Y'all, we are gonna use our stapler to put some pipe cleaners behind here. Y'all, this wood is kind of thin, so I'm gonna look for the two thickest parts to put my stapler. Let those dry. So my sign is gonna be up here. All right, got that one tied off. I'm gonna go over here and tie this one. All right, so our hello sign is attached. Now I can add my bow down here on this spot of the grapevine. That was a little weird. Give it a good twist. Let's clean up our bow. Anytime your greenery is straight like that, give it a little bend, make it a little less aquarium vibin'. Y'all, I used so much hot glue yesterday in class. It was crazy. Like 5 sticks. Sorry. All right. So we're going to start adding our greenery right around our bow. All right, we're going to just fluff this out. All right, y'all, trying to get this right into my grapevine. Got it. Add some hot glue. Now I'm gonna take this and go right up the other way with it. All right, so see how we got that one down there? Now we're gonna go out this way with this one and make it look a little bit swaggish. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna bring this greenery up and wrap it near the hello, but I am gonna grab a floral wire for a little trick. All right, so I don't wanna put this stem so that when it comes this way, it covers my hello, but I also don't wanna move it to where it's out to the side. So I'm gonna take a piece of floral wire, fold it in half. I'm gonna wrap it around one of the stems. And then run it through the grapevine. So that I can manipulate the top of the flower without the bottom of the flower covering up my design. All right, so see how we made it just kind of hug the hello? All right, y'all, now I wanna bring in a little bit of that red. Y'all, I may bring in a little bit of the cream as well. Y'all, this just went from being like, oh, let me put together a cheap $40 wreath to one that I could sell for a lot more. All right, let's get a little red added towards the bottom. Y'all, I'm gonna trim this one down and glue it right into the bow area. We're about to drip. I think I could use just a little bit of white. All right, always make sure you get them nice and fluffed out. This one is done, y'all. It has enough stuff in it. How do you start your own business? You go to learnfromdamon.com and sign up for business coaching, and we'll help you out. Look how cute. Boom.